Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got at the Valentino Beauty Masterclass beauty launch in Nordstrom, NYC. I did a whole vlog of me going to the masterclass. I had so much fun. I was invited by Nordstrom to attend the masterclass and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go. So I made arrangements and I called up my cousin, my girl Kelsey. I called up her. She lives in Brooklyn. Visited my cousin and then I went to Nordstrom. I had my makeup done professionally. Then I headed over to the master class, saw them how all the products were applied, and then I did some shopping and I bought some of my favorite products. And as promised, I'm going to do a whole haul video today on what I got on that glorious day of going. Now, if you're wondering what's on my lips, duh, it's my Valentino red lipstick that I'm going to show you. I absolutely love it. It's the best lipstick formula ever. We're going to talk about it. Let's get it poppin'. Guys, Valentino, can I just say something about Valentino just for a hot second? I don't own any fashion by Valentino. That's like one of the brands where I was just like, I don't own anything by them. So when they asked me about their beauty event, I was like, huh, okay, girl, like, let's sign me up. Sign me up. I called up my boy James and I was like, RSVP for me, James. Morgan Tox is about to make an appearance. Morgan Tox is about to make an appearance, and guess what? She did. So I'm gonna unbox with you. So if you also if you haven't watched that vlog, definitely go check it out. They applied all the products for me and it's just a really good vlog if you want to see like products getting applied, just so you guys know. But I bought some of my favorite products. So the first product I'm going to show you of the day that I had purchased is the Valentino V Lighter right here. First of all, the packaging is insane here. That's actually wrong. I love the packaging. It's frosted. Look at glass, gorgeous gold background, red with the Valentino V, and then here are the boxes. This is the very Valentino, and then this is the boxes that they come in. The V Lighter came in this. I'm obsessed with the packaging, you guys. This is amazing. But the V Lighter is a dual-used liquid light face, base, and top coat. It's an illuminator, double usage. It's great. What you do is you apply this to your skin before your foundation, or you mix it in with your foundation and then apply it, or you can use this alone on your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so you can just give your skin this dewy, beautiful, luminous glow from within. And you could put it on your eyes, you could put it on your lips, and you could put it like all on your décolleté. You could honestly douse this all over your body if you want to. I saw this all in the masterclass. That's how we know all this. So I was so excited. It comes in two different colors. I did get AMBRA. I know this is for deeper skin tones, but I liked it because one, I could bronze with it. Like, I'm pretty fair toned. What Raphael, the gentleman who did my makeup professionally, he was at Nordstrom NYC. If you guys are going to Nordstrom NYC and you go to the Valentino Beauty counter and you want to be helped, ask for Raphael. Tell them Morgan Talks or him, Morgan Talks sent you. And just, you know what, if he doesn't remember me, that's not possible. How could Raphael not remember me? I mean, come on. Anyway, so yeah, this was just really great. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the back. I love this. I've been using this nonstop. I use it as a highlighter on my cheeks, but like, look at how this just rubs into your skin as if you don't have anything on. Look at it, it's gone, but all you get is this gorgeous, like, lit from within. It's absolutely stunning, and I know nothing else like it. It's not sparkly. Like, a lot of these like highlighters are so sparkly that you can clearly tell you have something on your skin. This honestly just looks like your skin, but you're just illuminated, and it's so stunning. It's so stunning. I'm so happy I bought it. But it also comes in like a light pink pearlescent color, which honestly, something that I should have considered, but I wanted, and Raphael decided, and I had decided that a sun-kissed look was definitely appropriate for me because we want want to look healthy and bronzed at the same time. So it really doesn't matter the shade. You can do whatever you want. Like, just, you don't, there are no rules in makeup. Like, you can just do whatever you want. So I ended up getting the darker toned one. Next is, obviously, I had to get the foundation. Now, this is how fair toned I am, because I got the very Valentino Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 26, not 25, 26, which I think is interesting. And I got it in the shade LN4. Yes, LN4. So look at how fair this is. Guys, we need to talk about this. I've been using this. I've been using these for a minute, and I love this foundation. I love this foundation. Want to know why? Because it's so stinking light on your skin. You think MER is light on your skin? No. I'm here to tell you, Valentino is light on your skin. This also has SPF in it, and it lasts 24 hours. And guess what? It really does. Want to know how I know that? Because I wore it to an all-day dog show in 90-degree weather, and it stayed on for the whole day with this underneath, and my skin still didn't look greasy, and I was showing dogs in an arena with no AC in upstate New York in 90-degree weather, and it still looked good. Mwah. Like, wow, Valentino has really come for the makeup game. Luxury makeup will never be the same. Obviously, I was gonna buy a red lipstick. I already, like, before I even went to the event, I just knew. I was like, oh, I'm buying a Valentino red lipstick. Like, that wasn't even like, that wasn't even like something that I was like gonna like think about. Like, it was just, oh, I'm getting a red lipstick, like, duh. First of all, they come in the cutest little red bullets. Look at this red bullet, how cute. The packaging is dead on. And then for the day, and of course on the top it says Valentino right here. And then that day when I was at Nordstrom, they were doing engravings. So I had them engrave Morgan Talks. They were like, Morgan Talks. Like, I was like, yeah, my YouTube channel, duh, Morgan Talks, always gotta represent. Like, seriously, like, I could put Morgan, I could put Beauty Queen, I could put whatever, but it's all about Morgan Talks, because without Morgan Talks, without this channel, I would never probably have been there, and I would never be here talking to you guys, and I wouldn't even know you guys. So yeah, Morgan Talks the house. Morgan Talks, represent. Valentino, represent. Like, oh my God, let's just open this up. I have it on my lips now. It's in the shade 22R. It's as classic Valentino red as classic Valentino red comes. Look at the engraving V on it. It's freaking stunning. Like, oh my God. When I tell you this lipstick is my favorite formula of lipstick, I'm not even kidding. And not because I went to the beauty event. Like, I'm serious. Valentino came out with some stuff. Like, and honestly, they're new to beauty. Like, Valentino's new to beauty. So what that tells me is they have the most updated, like, up-to-date formulas in the beauty game, right? Like, Chanel Beauty has been around forever. Dior, been around forever. Estee Lauder, been around forever. This is just hot in the beauty game right now, and they're killing it. So this lipstick is a satin lipstick, and guys, this has stayed on my lips all day long. For a lipstick, not a liquid lipstick or a lip stain, this stays on your lips all day. It may not be as rich as when you first put it on, but you still have a really good amount of color, and the formula is so buttery smooth. It's incredible. I would give you guys a swatch, but I bought this myself and it's expensive. I think it's $55. So I like, oh, why not, guys? Wait, am I like a makeup YouTuber? I'll give you guys like a little swatch, right? Just a little one. I love you guys. Oh, wait, don't screw this up, Morgan. Oh my God, Jaclynhill, who? Wait, no. Oh my God, Morgan, stop. Boom. How's that for pigment? How's that for a Jaclynhill swatch? Look at that up close. pigment. When you guys put this on your skin, you're gonna be like, holy crap, it's so good. It's so good, so good. Moving on, I got a little gift box. I got a Born in Roma Valentina in the scent Donna. It's their perfume. It honestly smells like candy. Now, this has been around for a very long time. I think their perfume, honestly, it smells divine. I'm just gonna spray, I wanna smell like Valentino right now. Yes, just get this aroma around me. Like, get me in this Valentino Roma mood. Then I got this cute little pouch, and it's the Valentino red. It's got a V on it, like how cute, right? And then I just got a ton of samples, like just samples upon samples upon samples that I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all these samples, girl. Is that a lipstick? Ah, wait, did I get another lipstick? Oh my God, Grace. 100R, wait, this is worth it. Okay, wait, we're just gonna open this up because I'm obsessed with their satin lipsticks. Oh my God, it's a mauve. It says basic, it's like the, yes, it's so neutral. It's probably delicious on my lips. Anyway, and then I also got this really, really cute Valentino notebook, and I don't know where I put it, but it was like so stinking cute that I honestly couldn't live without it. But guys, everything I bought from Valentino, I'm obsessed with. Great products. Do not miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of these products, I'm going to link them all down below so you guys can go shop them. Everybody, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you love this video. Subscribe below, shoot me a comment, and until the next video, I love you. Bye.